Hello guys, my name is Florentino Zuniga and I'm just here making a quick video. I'm making a video on my actual on the programs that are actually making money the fastest right now for me. And what I mean making money, it means that I don't really have to do anything and they actually still make me money. I don't have to refer anybody, and they still make me money. But I decide to started getting more people to join them because on automatic mobile cash I get 10% commission on whatever you or whoever decides to join this spends, and this thing is awesome because I joined this one yesterday, and within 30 minutes I already had some money in my account. And right now is I'm about an hour away from being 24 hours a whole day on it, and I'm almost making $10 with this, and this is on one day. And then the other one is this one, Unison Wealth. Unison Wealth is still working like crazy. Last time I made a video, we had about 10,000 people, 11,000 people. I forgot how many people we had, but it was around 10,000 people. And just look at this, it's still growing. We're up to 14,563 people, and we're close to 30,000 subs now. And there's still a lot of money that is there to be paid out. And remember, guys, the more money you keep putting in, especially if you're one of the guys that's already in Unison Wealth, if you keep putting money in, remember, it's just gonna keep it going. It's gonna keep it growing, and you're gonna start making more money. Now I have already been paid several times. I already requested withdrawals, I believe, 2 times, and I'm still on level one. I still don't even start cycling on level two. Once level two starts circling, I'm gonna start making double the money every time I get paid, because I'm gonna get paid on level one and level two. So I'm gonna be making around I'll say around $30 every other day. Right now I'm up to about $10 every other day, and that's awesome. So first of all, let me go into this one. Let me log in into Unison Wealth real quick so I can show you guys proof, because I don't want to just talk and not show any proof. Let me make sure. Okay, when you log into your back office, you get this because you actually get free advertising. I haven't started putting my ads up, but I will in a little bit, probably in the next couple days. But all you have to do when you get here, just click on, well, like it says, click here to go to your Unison Wealth members area. And right now, my cash balance is $2. But check this out, my friends. I have 233 active positions. Well, not active positions, but I have 233 positions that when they cycle through, check this out, my friends. 233 times $103 per position. I'm looking to make almost $24,000. So that's awesome, awesome, awesome. Now let me go to finances and go to earnings summary real quick. As you can see on just on level one, I've made $166. Part of it I actually used to buy one or two more subs, and then the other part I actually put on my actually I got on my pocket, and then $166 went back to buy me more positions. That's what I'm saying. You gotta buy more so you can keep this program going. Now, as far as referrals, I have two active referrals. They bought some positions, so I actually made $40, $48 on commissions with that, and I've made $214. Like I said, this one right here, Cash Wallet, this is money I spend on my own, and then $166 is money I use to buy more positions so that I can make more money on the long run. Now, if I go real quick to my positions, you can see that I have 83 positions the cycle on level 1, but there's only 83 off of 233. And on level 2 I have 83 active positions that still don't start cycling. And here, as you can see, we're up to 46,823 positions, and I'm on 54,341 before I start cycling. So this is money that I believe in 1 or 2 more weeks I should start cycling on these ones too. And then this is going to start putting positions on level 3. So Unison Wealth still is one of the best programs, but there's the but it actually took me 16 days before I started cycling on level 1, and then it took me an extra day for me to start earning on this one. So it was actually 17 days before I made $10. Now let's go back to this one right here, automatic mobile cash. Like I said, I joined yesterday. I joined yesterday. Let me see if I can get this lower. See, today is the 30th. I joined on the 29th. It was around almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's been pretty much close to a day. So let me go to members login real quick, and let me log in real quick. Okay, and this is your members area. Pretty much you can check, you can get your packages here. I got my packages. You can manage your packages from here, and you can check your stats. This is where you want to go. You want to come here to your stats, and look at this, my friends. It's been about 1 day, and pretty much you could say that I made $9.37 in 1 day. So let me get my little calculator out real quick. Let's just let's just say I don't make 9.37 a day. Let's just say I make $9 a day. Compared to Unison Wealth, that I didn't get paid until 17 days later. So we'll just say $9 times 17 days, which is about how much money I'm gonna be making per day right now if I don't buy any more packages. If I buy more packages, I'll actually start making more. So I'm looking to making about $153 in the next 17 days, but I'm gonna buy more positions, so that my money is gonna grow even more. But this is not exactly the money I'm gonna make. Why? Because automatic mobile cash, like it says right here, every day using the mobile app market without even lifting a finger. What happens is that Automatic Mobile Cash is an application developer. They have thousands of applications that are being sold on the iPhone market, on the Apple market, and on Google on the Google market. So pretty much every time an application is bad, you get paid a percentage, which means that sometimes you can make $9 like I made today, and other days you can make maybe double that or triple that. So it just varies. It just depends on how many applications are bad during the day. So with that being said, my friends, if you actually want to start making money quick, I would join Automatic Mobile Cash, only because to start you only pay $25 for every position. And as you can see, I only have 4 positions and I made $9.37. So if I would have gotten 8 positions, I would have around $20 right now. And within about 4 or 5 days, you could make all your money back. And guess what? You can actually do this. You can actually just join Automatic Mobile Cash and start growing your income, and then use your income from Automatic Mobile Cash and join Unison Wealth, because Unison Wealth on the long run is going to pay more than this, but it just takes more time for Unison Wealth to to make you this type of money. So so right now, I mean, just join me with Automatic Mobile Cash. Now, what I have below this video, right down below this video, pretty much what I have is a capture page. Why? Because I want to make sure I keep track of everybody that actually joins under me. So pretty much, if you join under me, or if you want to join under me, what I need you to do is just click on the link below. Is www.workwithtino.com/. automatic mobile cash / and that's gonna take you to the capture page. So all you gotta do there, just enter your name, full name, and enter your email, a good email. And once you do that, uh, it's gonna ask you to check your email so that you can confirm your subscription. And as soon as you do that, you're gonna be taken to a thank you page that I made, thanking you for joining my team. And as soon as you do that, you can actually go back to your email, and you should be getting an email with the link to join under me. And once you join under me, I can actually check. Let me see. Yeah, like right now, I only have one referral, and what I'll do, I'll come here. I'll come to view downlines, and I'll be able to see your email and your name. So once I see your name and your email, I can pretty much know that you actually joined under me, and then I'll go back to my autoresponder, and I'll find you there, and I'm gonna be sending you a little present just for joining under me. I'm probably gonna send you a ebook or something that's gonna help you either self-development or to teach you how to do marketing online or how to get traffic or stuff like that. But I'm gonna give you something for joining me. So you don't only get the money that you're gonna be making here. See, right now I'm up to 937, and probably as soon as I hit $10, I'm gonna request a withdrawal, and there I'll just wait until tomorrow afternoon, and so I can make a bigger withdrawal, and so that I can show you guys that this is making money like crazy. It's just automatic mobile cash. Right now for me is the best. I only wish I would have more money. I only wish I would have like $500-600 to put into this. Why? Because right now I would be around $50 right now already, and I could actually make all the money back even faster, because for every package you have, you get a percentage of every app they sell. So the more packages you have, the more money you're looking to make. And the other thing is that you can actually get free packages. You can go to, if you don't have money, it doesn't matter. If you don't have money, you can come here and do free trials. So you can request like a credit check or something like that, which is free. And once you go through the process and fill the forms and everything, they'll give you a free $25 position. And as soon as you do that, guess what? You start earning money just like I am doing right now. So with that being said, my friends, like I said, if I was you, I would join automatic mobile cash first and start making money. And as soon as you start making enough money, go back and join Unison Wealth. And what I'll do once you join me, I'll keep reminding you, I'll keep sending you emails reminding you to, if you already made enough money and if you're ready to jump into Unison Wealth, I'll send you my link also so you can join under me as well. And once you join, there's actually products that you can use from here, and you get free advertising with them. So you can advertise your automatic mobile cash, you can advertise it with Unison Wealth. So there's a plus. So with that being said, my friends, God bless you. Have a good afternoon, and I hope to see you under my team. And like I said, I have things coming for everyone that is on my list. So God bless you and have a good day.